In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ping command, which you can use it in your network troubleshooting. The first thing is, when using ping, it will show you the time it takes to connect to a certain maybe website or a certain device, and it will show you if it is working or not. Mostly ping is a basic tool we use when we want to troubleshoot the network connection. The first thing will be, let's try to ping a website or a domain like Google. Google is one of the most connected websites, so let's say ping google.com. It will send packets, then we receive a feedback or a response. If whatever you send, if you send 5 packets or 4 packets and you get back 4 packets, none is lost, it shows that it is working well. You see, we sent 4, we got 4, we lost none. That means it's working well. Approximate round trip times in milliseconds is shown here. You see that? That's how you use it. If it doesn't connect, for example, let me ping a website that I know it's down. Ping it has not gone through. So in my troubleshooting process, I will know that it's not, the problem is, maybe the problem is with the website I'm trying to connect, and from that I can try and check, okay, if it is not connecting, maybe it's the website, but let me check if my packets are going up to the router. So I will try to ping the router to be sure that it's going past my router, because if it is not going past your router, the problem is within your machine and the router. If it is going past the router, it shows that the problem is beyond your control, it's with maybe the website you are trying to connect. So let me try and ping. First we need to know the IP address of your router. If you have not checked my previous videos, I showed how you can check your IP address for the router. So let me do it. Default gateway, it's here. So this is the IP of your router. I want to ping it, so you come and say ping perfect. I sent 4 packets, they came back 4 packets, I lost none. That shows my router is working very well. So my packets are moving from me up to the router. Let's assume something happens and it fails to show that it has connected well with the router. I'll now come back to my machine and troubleshoot if my machine is the one which has the problem. To do that, you use the loopback address, which is always 127.0.0.1. so let me ping 127.0.0.1 and see. This one will show you, will let you know that if your network adapter is working for your machine, the one you're using. If it goes well, you know everything is working within your machine. If it doesn't, now you will concentrate on solving your problem within your machine. But mine, it went 4 packets, they came 4 packets, I lost none. That shows that my internet connection is well connected, everything is okay. If I get any failure in any steps, I'll be knowing where to focus on. For example, if you are trying to ping another computer and it is failing, you can also check if the firewalls in the other computer, if the firewall is preventing that, because mostly that is something that people forget. you must go and deactivate the firewall, then try to ping if it is failing and see what will happen. So let's meet in the next video. Okay.